Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you how to create flat vector pencil design in Adobe Illustrator. Click on Artboard with the round rectangle tool. Corner radius 25 point, width 783 point, height 70 point. Divide into 3 parts with the lines. Group Ctrl G. Vertical align center. You can use Shape Builder tool, Shift M, to divide with color. Click on Fill tool with Shape Builder tool. Click on Save Color R244 G11 B11. Again, click on Fill tool with Shape Builder tool. Click on Save Color R186 G9 B9. Again, click on Fill tool with Shape Builder tool. Click on Save Color R124 G5 B5. Outline none. Select unwanted lines and delete. Use rounded rectangle tool to draw a shape. Use eyedropper tool, shortcut I, to pick fill color. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Drag a vertical line and go to object menu and path and add anchor points. Use direct selection tool, shortcut A, to adjust anchor points. Use shape builder tool to divide shape with the selector color R221, G215, B215. Click on shape R178, G173, B173 with shape builder tool. Click on shape color R127, G126, B126 with shape builder tool. Select shape and click on fill tool to select fill color R48, G47, B47, R30, G28, B28, R12, G6, B6. Use rectangle tool to draw a horizontal shape. Fill color R247, G188, B124. Use direct selection tool to select anchor points and double click on scale tool. Uniform 0%. Use pen tool to draw a line to divide shape. You can divide with the shape builder tool. Fill color R47, G47, B47. Click on Recolor Artwork from main panel. Click on Edit. You can change colors. Please follow step by step, and it's easy way to create flat pencil design in Adobe Illustrator.